what's up, darling? I'm back. How you going? Yeah, good, thanks. In today's tutorial, I'm going to be unveiling the Viva Thalia X Motives palette. And here's a look on the inside. And I'm wearing it on my eyes today. So are you ready for this special unveiling? Baby, let's get started. Woo! Okay, so before we get swatching on the beautiful colors of this gorgeous palette, let's just go to the website and find out exactly what Thalia X Motives Cosmetics palette is all about. Okay, so Viva la vida, live your life, inspired by the fun, flirty, and vivacious personality of Thalia, the queen of Latin pop. The Thalia X Motives Viva Eye and Cheek palette is ready to make a splash. Thalia is a world-renowned singer, songwriter, philanthropist, actress, author, fashion designer, businesswoman, and digital influencer. Whew. Thalia is one of the best-selling Latina artists of all time and recognized and adored around the world. This limited edition palette collaboration features 8 of Thalia's can't live without shades, ranging from everyday mattes to incredibly creamy high shimmers with bold color. For a total glam ready look, this palette also features a universal contour, blush, and highlighter. Whew! Are you ready to get started, darling? Okay, so this palette is currently retailing at $60.25 Australian dollars. Now, if we open it up, you've got these 8 shades here that are for your eyes. This contour for your contour, blush for blush, and highlighter. So let's just start swatching, shall we? It's going with this one here, and this is Hottie. So putting that down, and it's a nice deep warm brown, and that's what I used inside here on my crease. Next is this berry shade right here, and this is called Rhythm. Yes, it's a nice berry shade. Okay, and I've actually got it right on the outer corner third of my eye. Next up is this color right in the middle, and it's called Heat. And actually, I've got this on my eyelid, and it's just gorgeous. Okay, now can you see that? It's a beautiful icy pink champagne color. Gorgeous. Right on my eyelids. Next up is this one in the corner called Splash, honey. Splash! And obviously you can see where I put it. This is the wow factor right here. Oh, yes. Can you see those shimmers? Next is this row of colors. So this one right here called Sass, and this is a great all over color. I used this color to set my eyes. Great for underneath the brow bone. Okay, let's just go right up on top of here. And it is going to be hard to see because it's almost the same color as my flesh. Let's just call it a nice flesh bone color. Next is this color right in here, which is the same color as this, but this is in a metallic shimmer. This is called Frisky. Oh, yes! Look at that. Right on here. Mixed with the deep berry shade. I just love it. Next is this color in here. And this is called Flirt. And I have it right in here. Just that pop of gold color. Oh! You can see what I mean. Now that has got a lot of light, gold light to it. Yes, that one is called Flirt. Last of the eyeshadows is this gold color right here called Sunbeam, and let's put it here, and look at that. Oh, just gorgeous. Really is beaming, isn't it? And I've got that also right in the center, mixed with these 2 colors right here, just to make your eyes pop. Now let's go in with this contour, and I also am wearing this on my contour, top of the forehead, in my cheekbones, just along my chin, and just on the side of my nose. And it's a beautiful, warm contour color right there. Probably didn't get enough. Look at that. Nice. Blends beautifully into olive skin. Next is the blush color. Look at that. Let's put that here, right here. And of course I'm wearing it on my beautiful cheekbones. And last but not least, you have your highlight color. And yep, look at that. Can you see that? And I'm wearing it just here, not too much. I'm wearing just here, not too much. Just to give it a highlight, baby. Just to give it a soft highlight. You can see it quite clearly right there. Yes. And that brings us to the end of this gorgeous unveiling of the Viva Thalia X Motives Cosmetics Eye and Face Palette. So what do you think? This is my eyes, all done with that palette. And this is my face, all done with that palette. Now, for my lips, today I am actually wearing this gorgeous lip gloss. And it's called Soho Pink. My eyes were so overdone and dramatic that I decided to tone it down a little and just use a pink lip gloss. But you know, I'm still channeling Thalia. I'm still channeling my Latin diva, pop diva. So I'm wearing this pop jacket and I hope you like my overall look today. I did enjoy creating this look with this palette and I would say, honey, highly recommended. And we are finally done for today. That brings us to the end. Please give this video a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button. And if you have any questions, then sound off on the comments below. Until next time, until my next product unveiling, I shall see you later. Mwah. Love and blessings, darling. Take care of yourself and each other.